4 at 5.
Thank you for joining us at 5 and welcome. I'm Kevin Ogle.
And I'm Heather Holman. Today, another step toward normalcy for thousands impacted by Sunday's tornado in Norman.
After days of darkness, the lights are finally back on for those in the hardest hit areas. And as News 4's Bria Berry shows us, this was no normal repair job.
For the past 2 days, this generator has supplied power to this school. But today, OG&E brought in special equipment to get the lights back on.
They're very interested in getting the power restored so we can get traffic flowing and hopefully give everybody a feeling that life's getting back to normal.
9,000 customers were without power when that violent tornado hit Norman. But on Wednesday, OG&E worked hard to restore power, causing the number of outages to drop dramatically.
There's a lot of lines that need to be restored and a lot of work. Some of it takes some special equipment that we'll need to bring in order to do this.
Power was restored to all of Norman residents after lunchtime, thanks to these 26-foot cranes. They were brought into areas hit hard by the storms. Washington Elementary, one of 2 schools canceling classes because power was lost. OG&E loaning one of its generators to the school so students could return.
This is where you find out where your true partners are, and we appreciate OG&E.
Our kids being in school, we know it's a huge important part of our society.
Washington only down 1 day of school thanks to the generator. On Wednesday, police blocked certain roadways so that OG&E crews could bring in heavy equipment, hoping to bring a sense of normalcy back to Cleveland County.
We've been in communication with our U.S. senators and our U.S. congressional representatives, and they are standing by ready to help. We're doing all the paperwork we need to do.
Bria Berry, Oklahoma's News 4.
All right, Bria, thank you. Now, we can also tell you eastbound State Highway 9 is open again between U.S. Highway 77 and 36th Street after crews finished up repairs on power poles and lines this afternoon.